Deon Johnson, you've been doing a lot of squawking. And that's okay, man. See, I get it. I got a lot of respect for you, Deon. You were the king of Union, South Carolina for a long time. But I'm going to tell you a little something here, buddy. You're 5 minutes past your prime. You're 5 minutes past need to retire. Let me ask you a question. Serious question, just between me and you. How is it that I'm older than you and you look 15 years older than me? Seriously. What you need to do is just stay home or take that position behind the curtain that Cole Maccabee keeps offering you because you're way out of your element. And if you don't take that advice, I'm going to end you. That's a promise. One last thing. I saw where James Johnson, the wrestler of the year for some fan-ran, Mark-orchestrated, goofy, patting each other on the back, nobody voting for it but the boys awards, said he's coming to Pro Wrestling Union. So I want you to do me a favor, James Johnson. I want you to bring your cute little Wrestler of the Year award. I want you to get in my face, the face of the real Wrestler of the Year in the Carolinas. The only guy, pandemic or not, that went undefeated the whole year. Over 365 days now, I'm still the Pro Wrestling Union Heavyweight Champion, and I'm going to say this until y'all people start listening. The guy that beats me for that belt right there hasn't even been born yet. So, James Johnson, Deon Johnson, I don't care. Tim Storm, Bam Bam Malone, any of you. You want a shot? Come get one.